So here we have the new Apple AirPods Pro. They are finally here after months of speculation and rumors, whether it be releasing in October or spring of 2020. They are in fact here at last, ready for the holiday season. So these retail for $249 with a redesign, smaller stems, and of course the coveted noise cancellation features. And so here we go with the unboxing. Typical Apple casing. Now I will say, after trying it out for a little bit, the noise cancellation and the what we call the transparency setting, where you can hear your surroundings, they are immensely great features. And so we open it up and we have our typical design by Apple in California and all the documentations and the quick start guide. Now this guide is definitely a lot longer because there are a lot of new things, especially with the sizing, how you can take the earbuds off and change to a larger one or smaller one. And of course here are the AirPods themselves, and I have my first generation ones in black on the right there as comparison. So let's go ahead and just take the skin off so we can compare it a little bit more one-to-one. And so again, on the right here are the first generation AirPods, and now we have the AirPods Pro. Now looking at them weight-wise, they're very similar. It's really hard to tell. If anything, I would say the AirPods Pro are slightly heavier, maybe by mere grams. And then if you look at the sizing, of course the AirPods Pro are bigger in the casing and a little bit thicker. Now the AirPods Pro are about 4.5 hours with the charging case, whereas I believe with the AirPods 1 and the AirPods 2, it's about 5 hours. So there you go. And of course everything else in the box, including a charging cable and different sized earbuds, both large and small, are both there. Everything's very easy to do. And the great thing is there's an ear fit test that you can use on your phone. And so there it is, everything with the new AirPods Pro. I will say, after using it, it is a great upgrade. And if you get a chance, definitely try to pick one up. If you don't have AirPods, a must buy in my opinion. But there they are, the new Apple AirPods Pro.